Hey, what's up guys, welcome to LaraTips. In today's video we'll be looking at two new things that are added to the Laravel version 8.69.0. The first one is mask method, which is added to the string helper class. So now let's see what it does. So we have str and mask like this, and this is illuminate support str. The first parameter is the string and we are passing this laratips@gmail.com. And the second parameter is the character by which we want to mask the string. And the third parameter is from which character we want to mask. Let's say we want to mask after the fourth. So now if I run it, you can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. The first four characters are not masked and every other characters after that is masked. But now let's say we only want to mask 3 characters after this LARA. Then we can pass the fourth parameter, which is 3, and after that only 3 of the characters will be marked after the fourth character. Now we can also do this from the opposite side, from the back side. So here let's say we want to come 4 characters from here, so we'll just add here minus like this. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4, it will come up to dot, and after this it will marks this 3 characters, so it will mask this .co. So you can see here it has masked .co. Now if I just remove it from here, then it will mask every other characters from the fourth character. So we can use this to hide these characters of an email. Suppose let's say whenever user visits their profile, we don't want to directly show their whole email address because someone might be alongside with them and watching their profile, so we don't want other people to see their full email address. So we can just put asterisk over here, or we can mask it by using the asterisk and just show @gmail.com. So I'll show you how to do that here. So first of all, let us take all these characters before @ str before, we want to take everything before @ like this. You can see here we are only getting here LaraTips. So now here we'll str mask before and we'll append @ to it, and then we'll append str after @ like this. And sorry that we have to pass the other 2 characters as well over here in the mask, so we want to mask it by using asterisk from start. And sorry, I made a mistake over here also. We need to pass the string over here, and this is this str. So here like this. Now you can see here all the characters before @gmail.com is masked. And if you see this as cumbersome, then you can just make a macro out of it and use that. So this is one thing that has been added to the latest Laravel version 8.69.0. And the second thing that has been added is the stringable cast type. So let me just remove this, and I have some users in the database. Let me find the first user. You can see here, and let me get the email like this. I am just getting it as a normal string, but if I just go here, I am currently in the user model. You can see it over here. And in the cast, I can just write here email arrow as stringable. And you can see here as stringable over here. Now if I do it like this, and if I just reload, then you can see here I'm getting this stringable class. Then I can just do mask like this. And using the asterisk, I want to mask all the characters after the fourth character. Then in order to view it, we have to cast it as string. Now you can see here the characters are masked, and you can see here that we can chain the methods of string. Now this email is not just a simple string, it is an object of the stringable class.